To construct this floating platform illusion, we must first remove all these small little pieces from these two panels. Okay, this is what we are going to get. Identical. This way. You are given a string about 1 meter long. So you need to have 5 pieces of string. So the first 4 string will be about 20 cm, cut about 20 cm out. So then after that, for the 4 string, you need to use about 12 cm total. The other 20 minus 12 will be 8 cm is for you to tie. So eventually, when you have finished your product like this, right, the string length here should be approximately 12 cm. Can be more, can be less, a little bit, right? So you have, if we cut 20 cm out, so we will have about 8 cm to tie. And then the last string, you have 20 cm, you can use it to tie this one. Should be more than enough. Next, we are going to tie one pair of this with a string, right? So one of this at one end. Right, I've just finished one string, so later we'll try to adjust the other three sets to be the same length as this one, as close as possible. Okay, here we have almost 4 equal length of string with 2 ends tied to this joint. So now next we have to use, it will be good to have a hammer to knock this into the hole. Okay, so use this, the protruding part, push into the slot here at the corner. Then what you need is to, for this case depends on the size, whether it's big or small hole. So you may need to do a slight tap, but just now this one no need. And then you put all the 4 in it here. Right. If it's too tight, need some hammer to something that is hard and heavy to push in. If not, you can just push in like this. So all 4 corners insert the connector in it. Next, take out one of this, put into the vertical hole this way. Okay, then after that use this one to support it this way, so that this one can stand vertically. I suggest not to put in first like this. Slot this in first, then push them in together. Yep. Okay. Do the same for this. One, slot this in first, then push in to the horizontal and vertical hole together. May need a slight tap, may not need if it's secure enough. Okay, next what we are going to do is ensure that this L shape is in this kind of orientation. Then all the 4 connector we shall push into the slot. Then what we need to do last is to pull a string between these two holes, and this one must be tight. Okay, this is the final stage. Finish. So now it looks as if the platform is floating. Get the students to check, to analyze and see whether the tension, to analyze the direction of tension in the string. In each string there are 5 there. See if they can use a force table or force diagram to complete it. I think this also include moment. While you're doing, you'll find that you need to balance it, else you'll see the whole platform slanting.